What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today we're actually working on this beautiful Cadillac Escalade. We're doing obviously a one-step paint correction with the 7-year ceramic coating. But man, this paint was pretty hammered. So stick around, let's get started. We're going to talk about what I used to kind of fix this paint in case you ever have this scenario. Maybe you get a Cadillac. Again, this is just one way of doing it, multiple ways, but stick around and we'll get started on this paint. All right, so for this paint, usually when I do my one steps, I'm always sticking to a Rupes foam pad, right? And I always pair it with F6 if I'm doing a ceramic coating, right? If I'm not doing a ceramic, then it would be a yellow foam pad from Rupes with P601 from Coach Kemi. It cleaned the paint up nicely, actually, but I was just not I wasn't being satisfied with the finish. Obviously, for the one step, you're always gonna have minor defects left, light scratches still on the paint, right? We're just trying to clean it up just so it could look more presentable, right? But what I ended up doing was I ended up switching pads. So this is the Lake Country HDO pad. We use both the 3-inch and we use the 5-inch on the HDO pads. And I gotta say, when I made this move, the paint definitely cleaned out so much better, to where I feel very happy with obviously the way it came out. So it's always good to have different pads. Why? Because maybe that pad might not work, this pad will. Maybe this polish won't work and this will, right? You always have to play with what you have and find just that right combination. For me today, really was the HDO pad is when it made really just the perfect finish. I do like these HDO pads because it has this plate right here, and what that does is stops the heat from going to this backing plate. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I definitely enjoyed it. The correction, I did it all at a speed 5 with the Coach Kemi F6, and this pad was spinning beautifully. Obviously, there's not a lot of heat creating, so it gives the pad a chance to be spinning nicely, freely, and we got the correction we wanted. that concludes today's project, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of this project here. This vehicle really turned out really nice. I'm really happy with the way this thing turned out. I was a little bit worried in the beginning because it was in rough shape, but after doing the whole correction and coating, the coating definitely added that extra wow factor to the vehicle, and it's protected up to 7 years. So next time you have a Cadillac, maybe try my method. If it works for you, amazing. If it doesn't, hey, there's always different things. But again, we use the Lake Country Blue HDO pad and Coach Chemi F6, and it really did amazing. The blue one just gives you, it has just a little bit of cutting, just a little bit more aggressive, but it definitely cleaned out the paint just how I wanted it. So anyways, God bless you guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.